Hey, welcome back. Unless if you've been living under a rock, you probably know by now that Robinhood is facing a lot of scrutiny for restricting trading on all of the Wall Street Bets plays, GME, AMC, so on and so forth, right? And everyone is kind of looking for somewhere to transfer to. So these people on Robinhood usually want easier things, right? They want more beginner focused, and that's where I see this company right here, SoFi. Okay, I'm going to be doing a stock analysis on them later because they are going public through actually Chamath. But basically, I mean, I went on this guy's Twitter here. We could look. This is the CEO of SoFi, and he says GME and AMC are not restricted. They also have a very, very nice platform, a full 360. We're only going to be focused on this, but guys, you could do student loans here. You could refinance your everything pretty much. You do personal loans. You could also get a credit card with them. It's 2% unlimited, I believe, a money management account, and of course, if you hit home, you could track your credit score, what you're spending. It's basically like an all-in-one app, which is pretty cool. But we're going to be focusing on basically the investment side, as in the stock side. Okay, so I'm on desktop. This is better on app, but you still will get the point here. I have a referral link down below because I actually really like this. I think I'm going to start funding this account. I don't know if I'm going to completely destroy my Robinhood yet and transfer it all over, because I don't see options yet. That is one thing with this. But once again, this is just a replacement to Robinhood. It's nothing more, nothing less. I just need that option trading for what I'm trying to do with my Robinhood account. I only have a few $1,000s, and it's usually very risky plays per se. But for this, for most investors, beginner investors that just want to avoid Robinhood, this is going to be perfect for you. But that referral link down there, you're going to get $50 free just by signing up. You do need to invest with $1,000 though. Once you do that though, you'll get $50. So that's a pretty good link. That's pretty good compared to these other ones. Don't sign up for something just because they're giving the most stocks, like Webull. Don't sign up for that just because it's giving you the most stocks, Robinhood, etc. Both of those companies today shut down trading for GME, AMC. They could be part of a huge fraud deal. So I'm just avoiding them at all costs. So I'm sticking around here. Okay, so let's do a little review here. So I just want to show you guys, first of all, of course, it's free trading. Second of all, they aren't restricting anything on any of these stocks. Okay, see, we could still buy this. We don't have option trading yet. I want to look at a different stock that's a little bit more fundamentally sound. Let's go to Apple, okay? So we could see a nice chart, very solid chart, actually. I really like their charting system. It looks pretty simple. Once again, this is very simple. Their news, they have actual news. Unlike Robinhood, very trashy news. Also, we have analyst price targets, okay? This is pretty cool because we get to see the lowest estimate, the average estimate, and then the high estimate. So you can see, on average, everyone's expecting around 148 at the end of the year. That's the current price target on it, yada, yada, yada. You can see what the actual analysts are that are upping their price targets, what price targets they're actually rocking with. So I love this for long term. This is absolutely incredible. And you get to see, of course, what they're rated. So, you know who to trust, you know who to not trust. You can hit view all, see them all. Well, yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. This section right here, this is the thing that Robinhood doesn't have. Anything that actually helps real investors, not just people throwing money into stocks that they don't understand. Here you have insider trading. So, okay, buy, sells, buy, sell, sells, buy. Well, yeah, we could see that there was more sellers here throughout this entire time span. Obviously sellers aren't as important as buyers. If you get people buying the stock like the CEO, like in big quantities, then you're really talking big sales though. It could just mean they're buying their new mansion or something. So who really knows about that? But we get to see the actual insiders and what they did. And the one thing that I really, really like, I don't know how to do it on this. I don't know how to do it on the desktop version. However, I did this on my phone because once again, I did actually download this, create an account. It took like 5 minutes. It was literally incredible. I can't find it on this, but on a mobile, I'm telling you right now. So there's this comment section thing down below. It's like this, right? There's like a comment section box. I can't really explain this that well, but you get to see what other people are doing. It's very, very open. It's kind of like what the hedge funds get to do whenever they buy all of our information. Shots fired at Robinhood, but we get to see like XYZ put a limit order for blank amount of dollars, blah, blah, blah. People adding this to the watch list, people putting put options, whatever it is. We get to see it actually live investor, okay? So very, very interesting. Kind of gets you to be able to see the actual market sentiment of it, maybe like what it's going to do in the next day, so on and so forth. But that's a big deal to me. I really, really like that. Another thing, you could buy crypto on this, just like Robinhood. This is like literally 1-for-1 replacement of Robinhood. The only thing I need for me to make the full switch over is I want a nice charting system, right? I want like a really nice like peeling chart, kind of like Robinhood's chart that just makes you just makes you really excited about making some money. And then of course, options trading. I'm sure both those things are coming soon. So I'm setting my account up right now. I'm not going to move all my money over here yet, but once that is possible, I am. And I'm also going to probably be investing into the stock of SoFi as well. I'm just all in on this company. This is incredible. You're able to do basically everything. You're able to budget on this. You're able to take out loans on this. It's just incredible. Full 365 personal finance, really. I don't even know what to really compare it to. You could also transfer money. So it's kind of like a Cash App in some way, where you're able to invest in Cash App, but also send money. But you could also have a credit card with them, loans, money management, see your credit score, have a budget, you know, so many things that are just so much better than Robinhood. Not only that though, you get to these like pre-built things where you could see basically all these different sectors. So I could look at SPACs, right? And I'm guessing the top one should be IPOE. No, it's not. Okay, but these are all a bunch of SPAC, just various SPACs, so many of them actually. But what you can do, you can click on any of these and then you can hit follow. I don't know if it lets you do this on desktop. Another thing is you get to see the whole trending. These are the ones with the most buy orders, popular, all-time popular. So you get to see, you know, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, the big dogs. Also, they have their own ETFs. Okay, they have a weekly dividend one, which is pretty cool, every single Friday. It's like called a weekly income one, but they have their own ETFs that you could rock with, or of course you could just go with Vanguard, so on and so forth. But their expense ratios are a little higher than Vanguard, so just thought I'd point that out. I'd also like to point out this whole Learn tab. Now, people that are getting into brokers like this aren't usually the ones that are day trading or anything like this. We need stuff like this for these type of customers, okay? All newer, usually people that are just more passive. Like right here, you go diversified portfolios, hit that, and then it'll make a portfolio for you. That's just completely safe depending on what you want. You know, moderate risk, they're going to give you some bonds and so on. But yeah, we get to see what all this stuff is. People can go on here, learn a little bit, you know, if they're completely raw, never have touched anything with the stock market, it's good for these to read. Also, they get to see what stock bits are. That's just partial buys. You could buy $1 of Amazon if you want, something like that, you know. Yeah, but this is the one-for-one that I see as the replacement for Robinhood for anyone that's ditching Robinhood after this whole basically scandal at this point. I know a lot of people will be heading out, so I would start an account with these guys, put $1,000 in, you get the $50 for free. I don't know when that is ending, but I would do that probably soon. I'm going to be putting that $1,000 in once my bank gets linked, but that's going to take a few days. But once it does, I'll keep you guys updated, because I am going to start options trading in this once it's eligible, because I'll just move all my Robinhood money over here because I'm fed up with Robinhood at this point. That's going to do it. Let me know what you guys think of this compared to other brokers, like the big brokers, because obviously I have like a Fidelity account and TD account. But as for a little broker, I'm really liking this one alongside M1 Finance. There's a link down there for that one as well. But that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.